How to resize, rotate, and move in 3D space in DaVinci Resolve. Right-click in the Media pool and select New Fusion Composition. Double-click on the composition to open it on the Fusion page. Click anywhere empty and press Shift+Space. Search for Shape 3D, Merge 3D, Renderer 3D, and add them and connect them to Media Out. Select Renderer 3D node and enable lighting and shadows. Select Shape 3D node and change shape to a shape you like, here I choose Cube. Click on Transform tab and change rotation X, Y, and Z to rotate the shape. Now go to Effects tab, expand Templates, expand Fusion, and click on Shaders. Drag one of these shaders into composition and connect it to Shape 3D. Now select Merge 3D node, press Shift+Space, search for ambient light, and add it. Increase intensity to your liking. Select Merge 3D node and press the 1 key on your keyboard to see it in the left viewer. Make sure that 2 viewers mode is enabled. Hold down the mouse scroll wheel and drag to move around in the viewer. Hold down the Alt key, then hold down mouse scroll wheel to rotate the view. Hold down the Shift key and scroll to rotate vertically. Hold down the Control key and scroll to zoom in and out into viewer. Scroll to move up and down. Select Shape 3D node, press 1 key on your keyboard, and in the inspector click on Transform tab. Here you have 3 arrows. You can click and drag each one of them to move the shape in a specific X, Y, or Z axis. Or you can click and drag on the small cube and drag it to freely move the shape. At the top, click on the second option. Now you can use one of these colored lines to rotate your shape in X, Y, and Z axis. At the top, click on the third option. Now you can use the handles to change the scale of the shape. Right-click at bottom right corner, and here you can change the view. Now go back to Edit page and drag the composition into Timeline.